You're watching Mining Headlines on mining.com. I'm Devin Murrigan. Prime Minister Mark Carney says Canada will now allow major infrastructure and mining projects to proceed with just provincial or territorial approvals. The move ends duplication of federal reviews and aims to speed up key developments like the Indigenous-led Cedar LNG project in British Columbia. Carney also highlighted the Ring of Fire critical minerals region in Ontario and the Churchill Port project in Manitoba as candidates for fast tracking. A new First Mile Fund will help reconnect remote resource sites to existing road and rail networks, while another fund, LeanSIF, will support large-scale projects. Now, the premiers and Carney also agreed to remove all interprovincial trade barriers by Canada Day, July the 1st. Gold Fields has confirmed it made an all-cash takeover offer from Gold Road in Australia on March the 7th, amid record-high gold prices above $3,000 an ounce. The bid valued Gold Road at $3, that's Australian dollars 5 cents per share, a 21% premium, and would have given Gold Fields full control of the Gruyere mine in Western Australia. Gold Road rejected the proposal and criticized Gold Fields for making the bid public. Instead, they offered to buy out Gold Fields' 50% stake in the mine. Gold Fields dismissed the counteroffer and said Gold Road failed to engage constructively on the proposal. Gruyere has produced over 1.5 million ounces since 2019 and recently hit record quarterly output. Gold led the way in mining mergers and acquisitions in 2024, making up 70% of all deals by both count and value. That's according to S&P Global. There were 62 gold-focused transactions, more than double the number in base metals, with total gold deal value reaching $19.3 billion. S&P says growing geopolitical risks and record gold prices helped drive the surge in interest. Now, most deals involved production stage gold projects in Australia and Canada, seen as safe and attractive mining jurisdictions. Overall, global mining M&A held steady at around $26.5 billion in value, but the number of gold deals rose by 32% from last year. It marks the second consecutive year that gold has dominated the mining M&A space. First Quantum Minerals has opened its Cobre Panama mine to public tours in a bid to build support for restarting the $10 billion operation. The new mine visit program gives Panamanians guided access to key parts of the site, including the open pits, power plant, and port facilities. The initiative follows strong public interest, surveys showing over half of respondents want to see the mine firsthand. Cobre Panama was shut down in December 2023 after protests, and First Quantum says it needs both government and public backing to reopen. The company has also signed up around 1,000 visitors as part of its wider effort to win a social license to operate. Talks with Panama's new government remain possible, but only if First Quantum ends its ongoing legal case against the state. Copper prices came within 2 cents of their all-time high on Monday, hitting 5.18 per pound before settling slightly lower. The surge is being driven by U.S. tariff fears, with traders rushing copper into the country ahead of potential new import duties. Analysts say about 500,000 tons of copper are en route to the U.S., far above normal monthly levels. The global market is already tight, with demand expected to exceed supply by 320,000 tons this year, and that's according to Mercuria. U.S. copper prices now carry $1,500 premium over London prices as supply gets pulled away from other markets. The rally has been supported by fresh stimulus from China, the world's biggest copper consumer. And that's where we leave your mining headlines for now. Bye-bye.